Okay, it's me again. I'm back to talk about some stuff. First off, the tornadoes in Texas. I was watching the videos on weather.com. I don't know if you don't have the link, I'll put the link in the description. But I was watching the tornadoes on weather.com, and the stuff that it was doing, I mean, it was picking semi trucks up like grass leaves and throwing them hundreds of feet in the air. Like, it was insane. Nobody was hurt though, and that was a good thing. Everybody was safe and God protected them all. If I freeze, it's 'cause I'm on Fox News and I'm reading stuff. So, okay, on April 4th, 2012, tornadoes, severe storms ripped through Dallas area, injuring more than dozens. Yeah, this picture I'm looking at anyway, it shows people here, and I'll put the link in the description to this page, and it's a horrible sight. You see one house that looks like it may have just had some minor damage, and then you got these houses. You can't even tell if there's more than one house or if this is multiple houses here. It's horrible. And I don't know, people is just brushing this stuff off like it's nothing, and I kind of wish they wouldn't. There's the tornado hurled toward a nursing home. Physical therapist Patty Gilroy said she saw the swirling mass barreling down through the back door. After herding patients into the hallway in the order-trained walkers, wheelchairs, and beds, it wasn't like a freight train like everybody says it is, said Gilroy, who rounded up dozens to safety at Green Oaks Nursing and Rehab Center. So, yeah, we all know tornadoes. They big, mean, and ugly. Well, they're not ugly, they're actually really beautiful. But what they do is ugly. That's what I was trying to say. I don't know, it's just everything is going downhill. I mean, there's been birds dropping out of the sky everywhere. For what I heard, there is war brewing in Afghan right now. Between America and them. Everything is, I don't know how to explain it, but everything is, it's not okay. People can say it's okay all they want, but it's not. It's gonna get worse and not better. It's not meant to be bad in any way, but if you're not a Christian, you've got some really, really hard times coming ahead of you that you need to watch out for. Anyway, I looked up some news and talked about it, but it's people saying, it's all good, nothing's gonna happen, blah blah blah. You need to be looking up, because if you don't look up, I mean, it's not gonna end good. Not at all. I'm gonna put a website, if you're not a Christian, I'm gonna put a website it's got the sources online, every version of the Bible online, and everything you need to study the Bible. And if you have any questions, you can talk to me, Clay U Daily, Jonathan Clack. Find somebody that can answer them for you. Don't go looking for them on the internet, because it's gonna be really hard. It's not easy to find the answers in the internet, because there's not a lot of people that study the Bible anymore. But if you find people that study it, then by all means ask them. But there's only a handful full of people that I've actually seen that actually do study the Bible and actually know what they're talking about, and they're not just guessing. Like, for me, I just recently started reading the Bible and studying and praying, and becoming a Christian and whatever was the best thing that happened to me. And I was talking to this person, it was on my cell phone through Kijah Games, and he was atheist, and he asked me, he said that there's no proof that he exists. And I said, does the wind exist? He said, yeah, 'cause I can feel it. I said, well, when you become a Christian, you can feel it too. And that's true, you can feel his power over you when you become a Christian. I'll be praying for everybody, and I hope you all make the right choices and everything. I'm gonna put a couple artist names in the description too, the music artists. If you are a non-Christian and you like rap or rock, they're gonna be the ones to go and look at, 'cause they're really good bands. I like them. Yeah, they're really cool. You should check them out. Well, I'm gonna go now before I run out of time. Okay, thanks for watching. God bless.